Hi, everybody. In today's Read Aloud lesson, we're still working on using informational text. We're looking at words and pictures, text features, and using all of our strategies to solve unknown words. This week, we've been reading all about pizza. Friday is actually National Pizza Party Day, so I thought that I'd show you just a part of a book that has some really cool text features that have to do with pizza. Now, while I'm looking at these text features, I'm going to point out that these are going to include, we're going to have a diagram. We're going to have icons. We're also going to have captions. And I'm going to show you a glossary, which was at the end of the book. Okay, here we go. This book is called Pizza, obviously, and I'm just going to show you a couple pages. Here's that table of contents. I'm going to use it because I actually would like to see only a history of pizza. So I can see here that it's showing me history of pizza on page 7. I'm going to skip to page 7. Okay. Now this to me does not look like pizza, but I'm going to read about it a little bit because it says, a history of pizza. People around the world have made flatbreads with toppings for a long time. Street cooks in Italy started selling the flatbreads in the 1700s. The cooks called them pizzas. The pizzas had many different toppings. People liked them because they tasted good and were easy to carry. If I look at this picture right here, I notice that there's a caption underneath right here. The caption is the part that tells us what's going on in the picture, and it says, a man hands out flatbreads in this painting from ancient Rome. That means it's super old. This painting is showing something from a long time ago, and they have flatbreads, which was their version of pizza. Now on the next page, I see that we have this diagram. And on the diagram, I noticed some icons. Look at these icons. I have school buses, and then I have some elephants right here. I'm going to read this part. It says, do you know the world's largest pizza was made in Italy in 2012? Look at this huge pizza. Oh my goodness. It took 2 days to cook. So this man, it looks like he's getting ready to cut this massive pizza. It's so huge. I'm going to zoom in so that you can just see it. And if I look at this, it says he's doing this for the world record. So the world's largest pizza is right here. Now they're going to talk about this pizza, and it says it was wider across than 3 school buses. So if you picture 3 school buses in the bus loop next to each other, that's how long and wide this pizza was. It's huge. It also uses these elephant icons right here. It weighed more than 5 elephants. Now, I'm thinking that they probably picked these text features on purpose. If I think about why they compared a pizza to an elephant, what are they trying to say about that pizza? Well, I'm thinking they're probably trying to say that it's very big. The same goes for this text feature. They used a school bus to show how big this pizza is. So I think that the author chose these text features on purpose to show us that this pizza must be absolutely huge, and we really can see that in the picture. So I think the text features did an even better job than when we were just able to read the text about pizza like we have been this week. Okay, now I can see that I have some bold print. Here's some bold print. It says Naples. I also noticed that we had bold print on the page before. We had Italy. This one looks bold too. Toppings. These must be really important words that have to do with our topic of pizza. I can find out what these words mean if I take this shortcut and go to the glossary. So I'm going to the glossary now. And I notice that in the glossary, I can find that these words, Italy, a country in southern Europe, Naples, a city on the southern coast of Italy. I've got all these words and their meanings listed in the glossary. Toppings, foods that are put on top of another food. Okay, so all of these text features help us to understand a lot more about our topic, which was pizza. And I'm not going to read the whole book. I just wanted to point out a few of those text features for us. So when we go back, we saw glossaries, we saw diagrams, icons. Those were the elephant and the school bus that they used. We saw a caption. That was what was telling us the painting, what was going on in the painting. We also saw a lot of those bold words, which we found in our glossary. Those go together. Okay. If you continue on through your Nearpod lesson, you'll find your grade levels worksheet that you should be completing for this week. So continue on. There's another video that will read you the directions to your worksheet. If you have questions, please reach out, call, text, or email Class Dojo. Any way that you need to get a hold of me, I should be here and available. Thanks a lot. I'll look forward to seeing you soon.